Hello dear VITians and all other students. We here from Group 2 Division T presents the difference between Risc and Cisc. Group 2 consists of Vipra, roll number 6, Viraj Mane, roll number 7, Viraj Jetlia, roll number 8, Sanika, roll number 9 and Vishal Kumar, roll number 10. From here, my friends and everyone are going to present the difference between Risc and Cisc. We'll let you know what is Risc and what is Cisc. So please watch the complete video to understand and gain some knowledge.
Now let's move towards Risc. Risc stands for Reduced Instruction Set Architecture. The main idea behind this is to make hardware simpler by using an instruction set composed of few basic steps for loading, evaluating and storing operations. Just like a load command will load data, store command will store the data. And the advantage of this Risc is it reduces the cycle per instruction at the cost of number of instructions per program. Thank you.
Now, moving towards Cisc, it stands for Complex Instruction Set Architecture. The main idea is that a single instruction will do all loading, evaluating and storing operations, just like a multiplication command will do stuff like loading data, evaluating and storing it. Hence, it's very complex. So, the Cisc approach attempts to minimize the number of instructions per program, but at the cost of an increase in the number of cycles per instructions.
So let's start with the difference between the Risc and Cisc. Risc, that is reduced instruction set computer, deals with less number of instructions, and Cisc, that is complex instruction set computer, has large number of instructions. First of all, Risc focuses on software, whereas Cisc focuses more on hardware. Second, Risc uses only hardwired control unit, whereas the Cisc uses microprocessor control unit as well. Third, in the Risc, transistors are used for more registers, whereas in Cisc, the transistors are used for storing complex instructions. In the Cisc, all the manipulation is directly done in the memory, the RAM, and in Risc, the instructions are from register to register only, although load and store is used from memory, but Cisc does proper utilization of the memory. Then the fourth is that Risc has fixed size instructions and can perform only register to register arithmetic operations, whereas Cisc has variable length instruction format. That is, we can use 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit and so on.
Continuing, Risc can perform only fixed length instruction format, while on the contrary, Cisc can perform any 8, 16, 64-bit instruction. Point number 5. Code size is large in Risc, which uses an instruction set composed of a few basic steps for loading, evaluating and storing operations. Just like a load command will load the data, a store command will store the data. Cisc, the main idea is that a single instruction will do all the loading, evaluating and storing operations, just like a multiplication command will do the stuff like loading data, evaluating and storing it. Hence it's complex. Later, Risc instructions come under size of one word, while as Cisc instructions are larger than one word size. To understand this topic clearly, any further, an example is provided. Suppose we have to add two 8-bit numbers. Cisc approach here will be there will be a single command for instruction for like this, add, which will perform the task. While as Risc approach will be, here programmer will write the first load command to load the data in register, and then it will use a suitable operator, and then it will store the results in the desired location. So, add operation is divided into parts, that is load, operate, store, due to which Risc programs are longer and require more memory to get stored, but require fewer transitions due to less complex command.
Thank you for watching this whole video and hope you learn many new things in this computer organization and architectures assignment, which explained you the difference between Risc and Cisc and let you know about what is Risc and what is Cisc. If you loved this video, please like it, do comment and do subscribe the channel, and don't remember to click the bell icon.